So it is a brisk day here on Long Island, and we're rolling around checking out some farm stands. Let's see what we can find. All right, guys, if you've watched my channel, you know that I'm participating in No Shave November this year. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the No Shave November mission. Essentially, it's to get people talking about cancer awareness, to get people in for screenings on a regular basis. Now, unfortunately, most of us have been affected by cancer. I have my own personal story. I lost my mom recently to cancer, so it's just something I wanted to do, and I'm doing it this year. Again, link below. You can donate, you can participate, you can just get more information about cancer awareness. Anyway, the beard is coming in nicely, guys. So I am letting the beard grow, but I want to keep it nice and neat. As you can see right here, I have a nice little beard line going. And I'm just gonna do a nice cleanup. And a good friend to the show, Jimmy G, sent me this beautiful Rockwell Razors 6C adjustable razor. So I'll be doing the cleanup with this today. He also sent me Gillette's Pure Soothing Shave Cream, which I've whipped up in this beautiful Shave Nation bowl with my beautiful FM Brush Retro 3D Mini Travel brush. And we'll be taking care of this, 8 or 9 day stubble on my neck. All right. Now, if you didn't check out the unboxing of the Rockwell Razor, what's wrong with you? So these blade decks are numbered. This one here is a 6 and a 5. This one here is your 2 and a 4. And the one on my razor is a 3 and a 1. And each level gives you different characteristics. So a level 3 that I'm using today is for a person that has average skin, an average guy, who shaves 1 to 3 times a week, who doesn't suffer from irritation or ingrown hair. Kind of a mid-mild level. If you go down to the 1, you get the mildest setting. And as you go up, you get more aggressive. So today I'm gonna be going with the 3, which is somewhere in the middle. Again, I'm an average guy. So let's get started, let's get cooking. I'm gonna start with near hot water. I'm gonna steam up. You never really wanna go with super hot water. You don't wanna burn or damage your skin, but near hot water will open your pores and it'll get your skin ready to receive the blade, guys. Now I've been working this lather a little bit, and just a little bit of this cream and water, and you whip up a nice lather, which I'm gonna apply to this area here. Again, I wanna thank Jimmy G for sending both the Rockwell Razor and this really nice Gillette Pure shaving cream. And let's get cracking. So the hair on my neck grows this way. I want to do my first pass with the grain. So I'm going to actually want to shave with that hair. Very nice, guys. And I want to be mindful of that line, that hairline. The hair in the middle actually grows straight down, so I'll shave down in the middle. My buddy Jimmy G suggested that I do this hair mapping. Essentially, you're looking to see the way your hair grows, and it'll help you shave that much better. So first pass in the books. Let's lather up and go with pass number 2. And pass number 2 for today, because I'm only doing 2 passes, is going to be against the grain. So since the hair on my neck is growing out this way on both sides, I want to go against the grain. I would actually be shaving back this way. Short strokes. I'm maintaining that line. I'm keeping the razor at about a 30 to 35 degree angle. And I'm applying light pressure, guys, light pressure. Now, again, the hair on my neck in the middle here grows sort of down. So now I'm going to be shaving upward, and I'm going to employ the swallow hard and hold it technique to eliminate my Adam's apple. I could slide the skin to the side, but another way to eliminate the Adam's apple is just to swallow hard, hold it. That takes the Adam's apple out of play. Now I'm gonna rinse off with cold water, guys. Cold water is gonna help close the pores. It's gonna get your skin ready for the aftershave. Cool it down. And now I'm gonna really check this hairline and make sure I'm happy with it. I think I'm a little longer on this side, but it's good enough right now for government work. I could always get in there with my one blade and do some trimming. Very, very nice. Beautiful razor. Like the Geek of Shave says, great balance to it. Hefty, lots of knurling here, so it's not slippy, feels solid in your hands. And guys, this system that allows you to adjust with different plates. Now, I didn't do it today, but you know, when I get the beard off, what I may do is start with a mild setting. And for your last pass, if I do a 3 pass, for my last pass, I'll dial it back to a 1, but very, very nice. So I want to thank Jimmy G for sending this to me and for sending the Pure, both products, Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. Now let's get into some beard care while we're here. Now this product from Cremo is an important part of my beard care program. It's a product I use weekly, usually on Sundays. It's a 30-second beard and scruff softener. Most of the times I'll use it in the shower. I'll apply it 30 seconds to a minute. It really gets in and coats the beard and gives you that oh so soft feeling. And it's gentle enough too, if you wanted to use it multiple times a week. But the suggestions by Cremo, once a week. So we'll apply this, and then we'll apply beard oil, and then we'll say goodbye. I'm gonna wet the beard with warm water, and I'm gonna apply just a touch of this. This has a nice bourbon, woodsy smell to it. It comes in a minty variety as well. I like this bourbon smell. So I let that sit in for 30 seconds to a minute. Usually, like I said, when I'm in the shower, so you can wash other bits. Really, really nice though, guys. Just a solid product, lasts a long time. throw it in the shower once a week, you're good. And that really helps with the beard itch. It's nice. It nourishes the beard, softens the beard, really kind of coats those whiskers. If you're like me, you get to 7-8 days in and you just want to shave the beard off. In the past, that's what I would have done. But using these products, it's been great. All the products I'm using today, I'll leave links in the description box so you can pick them up from Amazon. You'll be helping you, you'll be helping me, and that's a win-win, guys. It's a win-win. Last but not least for today, I made a mess. Look at this. I'm going to show you a product, though, that I've been really psyched about since I started using it. There's a manufacturer called Wild Willie's, and they make this hemp beard oil, or it's the hemp beard elixir. Beard oil is essential if you want to reduce beard itch, you want to maintain a nice, healthy beard. This has, like many beard oils, the dropper. So take a few drops and you rub that in and apply it to your whiskers. Oh, and it's got a wild, spicy vanilla scent to it that is out of this world, guys. I love it. It goes on warm. It's lighter than many of the beard oils I've tried in texture and viscosity. It's lighter, but smells wonderful. And it, like I said, it goes on very warm. It has a warmth to it. It just smells great, guys. The final piece to the puzzle, I use this Cremo boar's haired brush, and I brush the product into the whiskers, and also the brush helps straighten those hairs and keeps them going in the right direction so you don't have any flyaway hairs on your beard. It's coming in nice, guys. And I'm looking clean and neat. So there you have it, the Rockwell Razors 6C adjustable razor, thanks to my boy Jimmy G. Average guy tested, average guy approved. I'm loving the Gillette Pure Soothing Shave Gel with aloe. Again, thanks to my boy Jimmy G. Cremo's 30-second beard and scruff softener. It's a once-a-week treat for your whiskers. And last but not least, a recent favorite of mine. I just love this stuff. Wild Willie's Hemp Beard Elixir that really helps to provide a nice, soft, itch-free beard that smells great, looks great, and feels great. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all again next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing play. That was rough.